Hello, my name is Tasha Norris, and today I'm going to talk about the different design principles I used to make this infographic. My infographic's purpose is to tell a story through data about the physical inactivity rates within the United States. This is done by displaying data with the focus on what the data means rather than just showing numbers. There are a few design principles that are important to consider when making a successful infographic. Typical infographics have a long and skinny format like seen here for easy readability through scrolling, as infographics are typically found online. Another factor to consider is the color scheme. I used a monochromatic color scheme in order to achieve color harmony. The principle of color harmony means that viewers experience the color choices as a sense of order. You can see this by the white text up here and all throughout the infographic, and then a few blue objects to help things stick out. The next principle I used was visual hierarchy through the use of focal points. I used a dark blue color throughout my infographic as a focal point to draw the reader's attention in to the important information. You can see this here with the blue text here, and then as well as the blue within this infographic as a focal point to draw people's attention into the important information. Next, I use the proximity principle. Proximity means to group similar objects together to create a unit. You can see this here within the icons. They are all closer together to make them be seen as a unit. You can also see this within my infographic as I used proximity to group each topic together. The icons also show the principle of similarity and anomaly. This is when objects that look similar are perceived as a group or pattern. One can use anomaly to emphasize dissimilarity to others. I used color to do this here to demonstrate the ratio of which physical inactivity contributes to premature death. These icons here display premature death, and the icon in dark blue here demonstrates that this one is a result of physical inactivity. When creating this infographic, I used an infographic template. I selected the template based on its color scheme and open layout. Although I changed most of the template, I kept the blue monochromatic color scheme as well as the layout of the conclusion here. Thanks for listening. Please reach out if you have any questions about my design choices. Thank you.